Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur a part of a screen in Final Cut Pro. So as you can see, we have an example clip right here, which is a social media page where we want to maybe, let's say, blur this social media post right here. Now, to be able to do that, the first step that we want to do is go ahead and create a duplicate of the clip that we actually want to blur over. So I've selected mine right here. We're just going to click Command C, drag our playhead to the end of the clip, and then click Command V. This is going to create a duplicate of this clip. And then the next thing we want to do is take our second clip and actually drag it on top of the first clip so that it's both in line and it looks good like this. From here, we want to go over to our Effects tab, which is on the right-hand side, and open that up. And then we want to open up the blur options from the video menu option. Next up, we want to select the Gaussian effect, I think that's how you say it, from this menu. And we basically want to left-click and drag it over our pasted clip on the top of our timeline right here. Once you've dropped that in, one thing you'll notice is that the entire clip is now actually blurred, but of course we only want to blur that just one section. So what we now need to do is create a crop of our second image, and to be able to do that, we go up to the top to open up our Properties tab. Make sure that our second clip is selected, and then we want to crop from the top down to wherever we want to crop to. And then we want to crop from the bottom up to wherever we want to crop to. And as you can see, we now have a clip where we have only blurred part of that actual screen. One final thing you can do is actually edit the amount of blur that we have on this image. So if we go over to the Properties tab for this clip that we have selected, we can see the Gaussian blur properties, and we can kind of make the blur stronger or weaker. And we can change the direction of the blur as well if we wanted to do that. But essentially, that is how you blur part of a clip on Final Cut Pro. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.